This is our family, and this is the backyard that we've been living in. It's beautiful. There's red rocks up there. And we've been staying in this home, and I'm sure a lot of you have noticed that we don't live in Kaysville, Utah anymore. The place where we got keys to the city. We moved. This place right now that we're living in is just our rental home. It's a temporary place because we have exciting news that we're gonna show you in this video, but what's going on?
We are building a house.
A house. A house that she designed.
With your help.
With my help too. We are gonna go and show you the lot for the first time because as of 2 days ago, we officially have the loan for the construction and now we can build the house. They just poured the foundation yesterday. They're moving crazy fast. We wanna show you the foundation, then you guys can let us know during the process, do you want us to continue showing you the house build and what's going on? Let's get to the house. Okay, we made it to the lot, and one thing I want to point out first, this street right here is the main road coming in and it's tree lined. And the lot is right around the corner. There's been a little bit of work that's been done on it and none of the kids have seen it yet. So guys, come on over. Let's take a look at the house.
Whoa! What? There's like an entire foundation. The whole thing is covered in cement.
Let's go check it out. This is the front door where everybody's standing.
Entryway, you walk in. On the right is like the piano room, office area. On the left is a wall. This is a great room. So this is like the family room where we all hang out with the fireplace, the TV, and then big windows to go outside and play, and kitchen.
When you first walk in the door, you're gonna be able to see out of these really tall windows. It's gonna be a wall of windows. You can see this mountain out here. This mountain's called Pine Valley Mountain, and it's beautiful. We wanted to make sure that we maintained that view and then a swimming pool right along this stretch. Guys, what do you think? Lincoln, what do you think about the main room?
Oh.
Whoa, look at this. What is it? We have ghosts at our house. It's already haunted.
No.
Oh
We
man.
have great energy.
Why is it haunted?
This is my room.
This is your room, you're right. First try.
Yeah. This is your closet, right here.
Somewhere inside of the closet, there's going to be what? A ladder or stairs?
It's gonna be a ladder.
A ladder.
And you go all the way to the top, and not only does it take up this room, the bonus, like a bunk room, kind of like a bonus room. It takes up this space and above his bathroom.
That's
Is
a
it-
room big enough for all of your stuffed animals.
Yes. And your
That's
shoes.
the room London needs.
Yeah. London, tell us about your room. This is your room. Say, this is my room. This is where I put all my dreams and wishes.
What?
Okay, Claire.
And now this is mine.
This is Claire's room.
Yay!
What's something special about your room?
I have a big closet.
Yes, and something else that's special about her room is right here are some windows and the swimming pool is right there. So Claire is the only room that has views of the swimming pool.
So right here, there's like a little patio thing.
Yeah, this will be a covered patio.
So then there's the pool. We come right here, and this is gonna be like the office.
This is like a separate looking house right here.
Yeah.
This is going to be our office, or when we sell this house someday, this will be the pool house. The wall right here should all the way open up and you could look out to the pool. Again, the pool. I really have always wanted a pool at my house. Okay, backyard. You gotta have some vision here. I'm gonna walk all the way to the end and then Leslie's gonna tell us how far, where do I stop?
Stop right there.
Right there. Okay, so the pool's gonna start right here.
There's the hot tub right here that's raised up and some places that the kids can jump off of.
Okay,
So
cool.
They're gonna jump.
The pool is going all the way to there, guys. You can swim laps.
That's huge.
Where'd the dog go? Hey dog, go poop on our neighbor's yard.
No.
Do it. What, no?
She went pee on Rachel's. I mean,
Oh,
on
she
the
Don't
went
say
pee
that.
on
She
their
didn't,
lot.
She didn't.
It's not
did,
gonna
I
be the
saw
last
her.
time she poops on our neighbor's
No,
lot.
it's not.
If any of our neighbors are watching this, get ready, our dog's gonna poop all over your
No.
lawn. And then what is this room right here?
This is the master bedroom, and so this has like doors leading out to the pool. It has like a little sitting area, pretty good sized bathroom.
There's a dog!
Yay!
And the all-important garage. And we've got a 3-car garage right here that will have Tesla charging stations on the walls. I have 3 Tesla chargers that are signed by Elon Musk. They're each going in the garage. So we probably will have an RV garage right there. So once we get the Tesla Roadster, the 2020 next generation Roadster, we're gonna put it in the RV garage probably. So here's some footage from when Leslie and I were here a week ago. We came here without the kids and we were just looking at the dirt when they staked it out with some of the flags. All right, Leslie, what's happening today? This is an exciting day. This is our first step of property ownership.
We get to see what the house looks like staked out.
My brother-in-law, Brandon, Ricky is a surveyor. His job is to come out with a laser and laser everything out and put markers down everywhere. All we've seen is dirt, and now we get to see really how big the house is and how it fits on the property. So this is a big moment, and it's the first time. We thought we'd show you guys because it's the first time I've seen it. Leslie hasn't seen it yet.
Pretty flowers, though.
The pretty flowers.
The spring cherry blossoms are happening right now. They'll only be here for like 5 days, so
That
look
is
how
pretty.
gorgeous.
All right, this is the moment. Let's check out
Have
your
you
lot.
seen it?
Yeah, it came out.
Oh,
Yeah, it already came out.
did Lincoln see it? Oh my gosh.
This is the lot right here. The front door's probably like right here. Maybe a little further.
I just want it to be done.
You haven't just started. We
I
just
know.
bought this thing a week ago.
I know, but we've been waiting for like 8 months.
So why'd you build such a big house?
It looks bigger than what it really is. It's a single story house though, so even though it looks really big, a lot of people do basements or they do a second story. We wanted everything on one level.
When we're older and you don't want to go up and down stairs, and then also for my niece that is in a wheelchair, we want her to be able to go in pretty much everywhere in the house and be wheeled there. And so single level home makes sense. I mean, all the kids have their own rooms. They're spoiled. Should have all bunked up.
Seriously.
3
no,
kids in one room.
Now.
We've never built a house where we've picked everything from the layout to the design to where the rooms go to where the landscaping goes, like every single decision. There's no other house in the world like this one. We still have many more decisions to choose, like which appliances to use, what the walls are gonna look like, everything like that. We do have a builder, Christensen Builders. These guys are awesome, and they've been helping us along the way. It's like a husband and wife that are the designer and the builder themselves, so it helps for novices like us that don't know what the heck we're doing. Follow Leslie on Instagram, Akin Lane. She's gonna be posting more of the different pictures and different questions of things that we're posting. And also just let us know in the comments as we move along, like what things you think we should or shouldn't do. What's your Instagram so they can follow you and see pictures of your
I didn't
house?
think you were gonna do that, but it's Akin Lane. So Alaska, it stands for Alaska Inside Lane because I'm from Alaska. A-K-I-N Lane.
What's the lane for?
I just didn't want it to be, I didn't know what else to do. I wanted Akin, but there was very limited. I always wanted to live on a road that was called Lane instead of road.
Follow her. Get ready for some crazy house building stuff, along with our other stuff. This isn't gonna be house building channel forever, but we're gonna post a few things. There goes George the ghost. Wow, the ghost is real. Show me your first cartwheel in the garage. Woo!